Meaning of hear.
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 Here.
Hear. Hear refers to the ability or action of perceiving sounds through one's ears. It is a fundamental sensory experience that allows individuals to gather information about their surroundings, communicate with others, and enjoy various forms of entertainment. The act of hearing involves the transmission of sound waves to the ear, which are then detected and processed by the brain into recognizable auditory experiences. Hearing is crucial for survival as it alerts us to potential dangers, such as approaching vehicles or predators, and enables us to communicate through speech, music, and other forms of expression.